10 years ago. We launched the company with my co-founders Jean-Gabriel, Fabrice and Alexis, with the vision that insects will be part of the sustainable food system of tomorrow, and tomorrow is now really today. Food is the first contributor to the biodiversity collapse we are seeing in the past few decades, but also the second contributor to climate change. So there are the big things we need to change in our food system from the field to the fork, and our mealworms here contribute, do their part to reaching a goal of 1.5 degrees maximum.
The most important cost for all farm animals is usually within the substrate that they are consuming. Insect protein can contribute to fulfill the criteria not only of nutritional value but also of a reasonable price. It's because of a substrate on which the insects are feeding. They are feeding on leftovers, on waste, on mixtures, on those things that are difficult to be digested by our types of organisms. So the small animals, so they have shorter life cycles, which means that they grow on a small period of time, which allows actually to make this production of high quality nutritional value proteins in a shorter period of time and starting with a cheaper substrate.
This circulation is one of the major milestones of the company in the past 10 years. Nothing was approved so far in Europe, which is a common market. And since last year, recently, with a few days ago, also our products were approved in all Europe with the green light of the European Food Safety Agency. So the market for human food will also grow a lot.
Insect by itself, it's not something that Europeans are used to consume. So you have this kind of yolk effect on that. But coming from France, we are used to eat snails, frogs, oysters, whatever. But actually, I have no idea how a snail actually tastes, because all that you have a taste is this garlic butter that is coming with the snail. So we know actually how to accommodate food, which maybe is not that tasty in the beginning.
If we want to bring insects and have a real impact, we need to bring them in every kind of food you can find, and more have ingredients that will make minced meat, that will make pasta, that will make also energy bars for sports. You will have a lot of variety of different products you can find on the market already today.